Hey everyone, welcome back. Want to send money instantly to your mates, split bills, and store all your loyalty cards in one spot? Here's exactly how to sign up for Beem from scratch. Takes about 5 minutes. Download the Beem app from App Store and search for Beem Digital Wallet and tap Get. Once you find it and download it, open it. Here, tap Create an account, Get started, or Sign up. Then, once you enter your email address, enter your full name, address, mobile number, and date of birth. Then tap Next. Beem will send a verification code to your mobile number. Confirm that code to your number, and Beem will ask you to verify your identity. You can use an Australian driver's license, Medicare card, Australian passport, or international passport with a valid Australia visa. You can also use ConnectID, which lets you verify through your bank instead of uploading a document. After identity verification, you'll add a debit card. This must be a Visa card or a Mastercard from an Australian bank with FPOS online enabled. Beem will charge you two very small verification amounts to confirm the card, then refund them immediately. Once your card is verified, Beem account is fully active and you can start sending, receiving, splitting, and paying. So all you gotta do is download Beem, enter your details, verify your ID, add your debit card, account active and ready to use, and that's it. Subscribe for more Beem guides.